Alright, today we're going to do a short drive down Clifton Hill, which I know is not a hidden area in the falls. Everybody knows where Clifton Hill is. We're going to drive down Center Street and just drive down, pull around, go back up. You can see how cheesy it is, or like Vegas it is, I guess. It's not a long street, so it's going to be a short video. Alright, so we're just turning right onto Kitchener Street, which is just off Victoria Avenue. It's one of the back roads. Probably not really one of the best areas. It's not a bad area per se. As you can see, some of the houses there to the right. We are coming up on what used to be Niagara Falls Memorial Arena. That's where our Niagara Falls hockey team played. I forget what they were called. I think it was the Niagara Falls Flyers. As you can see, that big orange looking building there. Now, I don't know what it is. I think it's just abandoned. It was a sand castle museum for a bit, or sand sculptures. Not sure if that's still the case though. Looks pretty run down. Yeah, there's no signs. The windows are all dirty. There's still a sandcastle there in the front window. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it now. Straight ahead is Nabisco, which is where we make shredded wheat. It always has a great smell to it. This whole area always smells like shredded wheat. So now we're on Center Street. This leads up to Clifton Hill. There's a few random hotels here, pizza shops. Lots of parking lots everywhere. If you need to park, there's lots of parking lots. Prices vary though. They do go up in tourist season. Right now they're not really too bad. See the spicy olive. Rock Legends is pretty cool. Rock Legends Museum here. The figures aren't the greatest, but they are all done by a local artist. And you see everybody in there, from Frank Sinatra, Jimi Hendrix, Ozzy. There's Yanks on the right, as you can see. Niagara's first bar and grill. That I do not know. Would it surprise me? Probably not. We are down in the tourist district. But I think Niagara probably had another bar and grill before. I'm going to have to look that up. If anybody knows any information about Yanks being the very first bar and grill in Niagara, leave a comment. Let me know. There's the Kelsey's on the corner. You can see the Skywheel behind there. That is Niagara's second Ferris wheel. We used to have one at Maple Leaf Village, which is now Casino Niagara. There's Tim Hortons. There's always a Tim Hortons. So as you can see, it is pretty cheesy down here with all the signs and glitter and neon. But that's one of the things that I love about down here. That's one of the things that I love about Vegas, and just being able to have that here, even if it is smaller and less casinos, it's just something that's pretty cool. Taking a right, this brings us, I don't think this is considered the parkway yet, the Niagara Parkway, but I did go the wrong way. Now I got to make a U-turn, so I'm just going to wait for this car to go around me and then turn around. Now we're going to head back up Clifton Hill again. You see the Hard Rock Cafe there in the distance. That place has some good shows sometimes, a lot of local bands. We don't get touring bands at our Hard Rock for some reason. I don't know why. It's not really that big of a space for a concert, I guess, but No, this area here in the summertime is really crazy. It's really hard to make a left-hand turn here. So I don't really advise it. Between the cars and the people, it's hard to get a left-hand turn at this intersection. And people don't signal a lot of the times, so it's hard to tell when you can go and when you can't. So that's basically it. That's the tour here. There's Clifton Hill in a nutshell. Who knows, maybe by the next time I do a driving tour of Clifton Hill, it may be different. Things change quite frequently on Clifton Hill. It's not so much like Vegas where something comes up in a month and 2 months later it's gone. It does take a bit of time down here. I don't know why. It's probably safer if you take your time building something. I'm gonna go back down Center Street, and then that will be the end of the video. And that is basically the tour for March 4th or 3rd. I think it's March 3rd. Be sure to like and subscribe. There will be more videos. I promise they'll be more exciting. We will find some hidden jackpots.